48 mAh. 5.3 amps, 53 mAh. 7.5 amps, 75 mAh.
Jesus Christ.
4.1 amps, 89.2 amps, 149 mAh. 85.9 amps, 33.8 amps, 398 mAh. Landing gear retracted. 34.1 amps, 445 mAh. 33.5 amps, 0.2 amps, 600 mAh. 3 minutes. 38.5 amps, 654 mAh. 762 mAh. 38.6 amps, 815 mAh. 38.1 amps, 875 mAh. 37.6 amps, 1027 mAh. 37.7 amps, 1079 mAh. 185 mAh.
Buffering around like anything. Very gusty wind.
400.1 mAh, 36.8 amps, 1,453 mAh, 36.6 amps, 1,504 mAh, 37 1 minute, 1,872 mAh, 39.7 amps, 1,092 mAh. 39.2 amps, 2,147 mAh. 40.2 amps, 2,203 mAh. 39.8 amps, 2,258 mAh. 38.5 amps, 2,312 mAh. 40.3 amps, 2,367 mAh. 39.12 amps, 2,589 mAh. 38.9 amps, 2,643 mAh. 38.8 amps, 2,697 mAh. 39.2 amps, 2,804 mAh. Landing gear deployed. 36.8 amps, 2,855 mAh. 36.8 amps, 2,907 mAh. 37.1 amps, 2,959 mAh. 36.7 amps. Flaps stage 1, 3,010 mAh. 37 amps. Flaps fully extended. 3,215 mAh. 24.6 amps. 3,263 mAh. 20.7 amps. 3,291 mAh. 16.2 amps. 3,312 mAh. 7.7 amps. 3,324 mAh. meters, 59.5 amps. 2,398 mAh, 0 watts, 77 liters, 49.8 amps, 2,501 mAh, 0 watts, 42 liters, 51 amps, 2,500 watts,
Flaps stage 1.
41 meters, 48.8 amps,
Flaps fully extended.
3,237 mAh, 0 watts, 39 meters, 26.2 amps, 3,307 mAh, 0 watts, 4 meters, 9.1 amps,
Jesus Christ.
326 mAh, 0.5 meters, 0.5 amps, 3,331 mAh.
That's very dangerous.